Dash, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this correction. And even though we had the opportunity to look for buy from here, we mentioned with the breakout, the first target we have been looking for 200 because since the price was within this move. And we mentioned with the breakout of 200, we can look for 210 as we can see exactly the price tag. And then we see this. I mean, we see it turns to a correction, right? No one see what's the next. Even we can look at this one as a 3 waves, but if you refer to the indicators, we don't see the divergence, all right? I mean, we don't see that we don't have the divergence. That's why still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. Anyway, we move to daily chart, and based on daily chart, we are looking at the chart. We put this one in relative to this. That's why we mentioned if the price could break 1.160, then we can expect the price retest the previous low. Anyway, we're looking at this correction. Any trade for buy, this is what we're looking for. If you get any opportunity based on lower time frame, and the target is still we're looking for is 320 following by 380. That's mean if you get any reversal, any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take the trade. And at this point, I mean, if you move to forward chart, now the question is whether this is the flat and the price can retest the previous low, which is 170. If this one happen, since most of the chart they have a similar movement, any reversal from there, it can give us better confirmation to look for trade and even better opportunity to look for buy as a long term following by divergence. All right. Now the question is whether we are going to look at the chart in this way. We wait for the next drop and we look for the long term, or this is the correction relative to this and we look for the reversal. Any trade for buy from here, as long as the price haven't break 218, we consider as a short term. All right. I mean, based on 1 hour chart. Anyway, we're looking for the reversal. Any trade for buy, we will take it. And if I move to 1 hour chart, at this point, as I mentioned, we can look at the chart in this way as an internal flat. Since we don't have the divergence, even still we can look for, it can tend to extension and even retest the previous low. All right. By the way, any trade, any reversal from here, we consider as a short term, and we can follow these lines as a target. But if the price drop and retest the previous low 170, this is the best I'm looking for. Even I explained my last analysis. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup. We are not really interested to look for sell. And even if you want to look for buy, we have to look for the reversal as a sharp move. Like this is the only option. And as I say, we don't have any trade for buy. We just either buy or sell. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.